Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica. Today I'm going to show you how to do Billy Butcherson from Hocus Pocus, so let's just jump right into it. First thing I'm going to do is block out my brows using an Elmer's glue stick. Doing about 3 layers of this over the brow, let that dry completely. Then going in and covering it up with some full coverage concealer, blending that in. Then setting it with setting powder and also doing about 3 layers of the concealer powder combo. Once you're done with that, go ahead and put some foundation on your face, and then I'm taking a green cream color and mixing this in with the foundation I put in to give it just a bit of that sickly green cast to my skin. Next, I'm going to be taking a combination of medium and dark brown eyeshadows and just blowing out the eyes here, getting it nice and dark and messy. And then going in with some black eyeshadow in the crevices where I want to deepen it a little bit more. I'm then starting to sketch out the brow bone placement with an eyeshadow and then further defining that with a brown water activated face paint. Using the face paint, I'm also using this to start sketching out the crevices in Billy's cheekbone area, all those like wrinkles and folds. Then using a black water activated face paint to accentuate the nostrils of the nose. And then I'm going in with some more of those brown shadows and starting to deepen the crevices on the cheekbones. Also using this to start to contour my nose a bit. And further dirty and define the brow bone areas. Once I'm ready, I'm going in with some black eyeshadow and using this to further deepen those crevices on the cheekbone, and then using a white water activated face paint to highlight. And then I'm going in and starting to sketch out the folds and wrinkles in the chin area. And using those brown eyeshadows, I'm darkening the center of the lips and kind of dirtying them up a bit. Once you're all done with that, I'm then just taking some black yarn, cutting some pieces out, and then using Prozade to create the stitching effect on Billy's mouth, just going in an X pattern. Once that's dried down, I'm then going in and further defining and detailing the skin folds and wrinkles on the chin as well as on the upper lip. And then using some of that brown eyeshadow to kind of dirty up my neck as well. And that's it, you guys. You are now Billy Butcherson. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, be sure to like and subscribe to be a part of the rest of our 13 Days of Halloween series. Also be sure to follow me on Instagram if you're not already. I post a lot of fun content on there as well. As always, I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you in the next video. Mwah!